This episode is sponsored by City Traders Imperium. CTI is a prop trading firm looking for profitable Forex traders who need more capital. CTI will back its traders up to $2 million, which is the most in the industry, and thousands of traders worldwide are trading their capital remotely from their own home. It's the most flexible funding provider in the industry, where any strategy is welcome and overnight or weekend positions are allowed. Plus, CTI doubles your account every time you hit 10% net gain, which you can scale up to $2 million. Click the link in the description to find out why City Trader offer the best funded trader program in the industry, or visit citytradersimperium.com. All right, folks, here we are on Trading That YouTube channel. We've got KJ McLaurin here on the show. Now, he's about to walk us through his 300% week, over 300% week, in fact, show us how he actually did it, and then he's going to tell us all about his strategy and how it works. We're going to see that on a price chart. So welcome to the show, KJ. By the way, we did record an awesome podcast as well, so maybe you can quickly summarize that, telling us your story before we get into the details around this last week's worth of trading, and also how you approach the price chart in the markets. So over to you, fella.
Okay, so hey guys, I'm KJ. I started trading when I was 15. I'm 22 now. So what I did was I was homeless for like 2-3 years, trading, trying to learn how to trade while homeless. But I learned a strategy that actually makes sense, and it's pretty simple. It's just price action, and all you got to do is trade with the trend and find horizontal support levels within the market. And that's how I made $10,000 last week. Here's my Discord. This is where the proof is at. Okay, so if you can see that, I made $10,223 on these trades. I shared all these setups to my students as well. They took them with me. I just used a different lot size. Okay, so here's the withdrawal as well, which is $10,000. That's my name, Keycon. Call me KJ. Okay, so let's go over a couple trades, which was, so we're going to go over we're going to skip AU to USD. We're going to go straight to USD CHF because that's pretty close up. Okay, so this is USD CHF. I noticed that USD CHF was holding this resistance level while it was going up, while it was going down as a downtrend. It came up to retest a strong level in the market. So all I did was look left and saw that price been holding this level for a long time within the market. So what I did, I drew it out. Right here, I drew it out. And I waited to see if price could actually break through this level. So I waited for about 4 or 5 days until I actually took the position. And I saw that price never broke through the level. So it gave me a couple of rejections off this level as well. And it's in the downtrend. Remember, always follow the trend, always trade with the trend. So price never broke through that level. So I did call sales on this. And then I told the students to put their stop loss like right above here, which was like 35 pips. I usually only risk 20 pips, but I saw another level of resistance right here. So if price did break that, we'll have to break this part up here as well. So I told them to put a stop loss right above there. And then boom, price finally came down and cracked through this level right here. And then, yeah, that's the first trade. We caught basically 100 pips on this because we put another entry here as well on the hour one.
And what was the thinking behind that second entry?
So the second entry, I just looked to the left again and then drew my rectangle out, and I saw that price was basically holding at a support level right here. You see where all these wick rejections is at?
Yep.
And I peeped that price. It was coming up to create a double top off this level. So once I saw that, I called another sell right here on USD CHF. So called another sell. And then we caught the 34 pip move too. So we caught around 130 pips in total off that move alone.
And are you taking market orders, limit orders, or stop orders?
Market orders for this one down here because it was already about to happen. It was in New York session, so I already saw it happening. So market order this, and then we put a sell limit above this wick right here, and then we got filled in right here.
Nice.
So only sell limits in market orders most times.
And do you want to walk us through one more trade? Have you got another example you can show us?
Yeah, I got another one. Euro GBP right here. So use $10 lot. This is poor risk management. I know people wouldn't even use a $10 lot, but I was only risking $300 with that $10. I was only risking 3 pips. So I knew my risk.
3 pips?
I was risking 3 pips. That's how precise the entry was.
man.
Okay. You're gonna be like, oh, that was pretty easy. That was a pretty easy trade. So the next trade is gonna be Euro GBP. I think I made like $2,000-3,000 off this trade off the 1 hour. I saw that price was basically in a downtrend, so I dropped the trend, and I used the closing prices. That's how you get the most accurate you can get. And then I saw that price was rejecting a strong level in the market right here. Pretty strong level. You could take it all the way up here if you wanted to. And then I waited for these wick rejections, which was right here. Let me just circle them out just to make sure people can see it. Right here.
Ah.
So I shorted it right here, and I risked only like 3 pips, 4 pips. So I risked 4 pips with a $10 lot. I put the sell limit up there. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So it was only going to be $300 either way, and you're on the other side of that. And which wick did you get in on?
I got in on this last wick right here.
Right. So it already rejected once. Right. Okay.
I got on the last one because I was already late to the party, but I don't mind being late, long as I can get in where I want to get in.
And at which point would you have cancelled that if it like, because obviously breaks through again later on, but how many hours or days would you have waited? Would you have waited another day if that level was still there and kept that order there?
Yeah. If it didn't blow past my stop loss, then yeah, I would have held it because I'm pretty sure wicks test wicks all the time. So high chance is gonna go back up there and test it.
Cool, nice.
So I waited for that.
Great insight into how you approach the markets. Love this. Now, guys, we did record a podcast. It goes for about 25-30 minutes. You get the full story, and it is an amazing story as well. KJ, do you want to quickly tell the guys how they can get hold of you?
If y'all want to get a hold of me, go to liquidfxpro.com, or you can go to my Instagram, which is McLaurin, McLauriin, or you can go to my YouTube channel that I just started, which is KJ McLaurin.
Brilliant. Guys, go and check that out. Go and check out the links underneath this video for access to the full interview and everything else that we do with KJ here in the future, because this is what we do at Trading Nut. We've got all sorts of different things as well. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit like, and click on the little bell next to subscribe. Click all so you get videos like this in the future, and we'll see you on the next one.